Alright, man, what's going on? How y'all doing? We once again came to Menards to get things to work on the car. Oh, love that sound. It probably sounds so good in the headphone or in the microphone. Oh yeah, fuck, it's a little chilly. It's like 45, 47ish, I think, somewhere in that range. It said 45 earlier, but it was supposed to be up into like the 50s, but I don't think it's in the 50s. Don't feel like it. But want to get another ride in before the end of the season, because it fucking snowed on Halloween. It's like November 4th. I don't know what day. I never know what day it is anymore. I've lost track of my life. But yeah, it's November. It's cold. We got the leathers on. Got my full snowboarding coat on. Ready to go. Sitting like a granny. Fully up on this bitch. But yeah, dude, we got the bike in full action today. Let's get it. Let's get it. I just want to ride. I don't have much to say. It's slow, baby. We're fighting the wind and it's slow. I want to have fun. I'm excited to snowboard. It's gonna be lit this year. Especially now that I got like the whole mic up situation. Oh, we're gonna be mic'd up, snowboard. Hell yeah, brother. Exhausted, sound kinda nice, I'm not gonna lie. I hate this corner. Talked about it last time. Just the way you gotta stop in it is so stupid. And then you can never see the cars, so you just gotta take it with caution. Hey, that's where I bought the Speed 6 from. That's where my bank, that's where, god damn, that's the bank that had my loan. Wow. Talking is hard. Holy shit. Oh man, it's nice though. It's a nice day. Got a lot of stuff done for work. Finished a few like document flowchart type deals that I had to do, and updated a few of the servers. So good things have happened. We're going. Boom. Back into first. Orient Township. We're living as a vacation. A vacation in fucking hell. That's where it's a vacation. It's not a vacation from anything else. That's for sure. Maybe I'm a little bit too far to the right now. I don't know. I think I'm pretty good. I don't think I'm over the white line. I might be. Either way, fuck them. We're shifting really quickly today, baby. I thought that was gonna be a bump, but it wasn't. Sorry. I was choking on my fucking strap. Can't breathe right now. I feel like there's something in my throat. And I didn't really turn. Oh man. Well, speed up then. Oh good golly. Have a holly jolly Clipmas this year. No, just finger that thing. Flick it around. Flick of the bean. Alright, that's my one outlandish statement for the video. I gotta reel myself back in. Oh my god, we don't gotta stop. Nobody's coming this way. I kinda hate the roundabouts specifically because people don't understand. You have to yield. You don't have to stop. We don't have to stop. There's nobody coming. Like, you look, they're not coming this way. You go. Congratulations. Learn how the fuck a goddamn roundabout works. You yield to oncoming traffic. There is no traffic to yield to. It's hard to say when you're supposed to come. I don't know. Maybe I don't know how they work, but in my opinion, this is the main flow of traffic. Those are the side streets. They yield to us. We are the main flow. So when this main flow of traffic is done, they can go. If a car coming from that way hits the roundabout and curves this way, you're supposed to be paying attention to that, right? Like, I get that aspect of it. I'm not saying that's not true. See, look, they're not coming this way. We don't have to stop. We can just go this way. Beautiful. Like, why is that hard to understand? If a car was coming around, then we would have had a yield coming from that main way of traffic. This isn't the main flow of traffic. These are side flows. I guess it depends if you know the area and what you're coming through and da-da-da-da-da and all that good stuff. I might just be ignorant. Oh, 25 when flashing. Oh, shit. Slow ourselves down. Make sure there's no cops behind me. I don't need to get a ticket. 25 when flashing. The school's out. Shit. It's a cruiser. It's not a fast bike, brother. I love kids. Do it for the kids, man. That, honestly, that made my day. I'm sure it made their day. The little homies. He said, yeah, Honda. That's fucking right, bud. Go buy a Civic. The best starter car. Learn how to drift it into a fucking tree because it's front wheel drive and you don't know what you're doing. Yeah. We didn't hit the tree. We like went in between two trees. It was pretty perfect, actually. Good times. Sometimes I wish I could go back to when I was fucking first 16, driving the freedom that I had to do whatever. I mean, I still have that freedom. That freedom doesn't go away at all. I mean, I guess it only gets better as you get older, but there's also like a limit to the freedom, I feel like. When you get older, you actually get in trouble. I mean, yeah, you get reckless driving and shit like that when you're younger. You lose your license when you're young. You waving to me? I hope she wasn't waving to me. I waved anyways. We took that a little too hot. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. It's all good. I sat up a little bit too fast. Need to bend more. Homie with his old ass little face and his mustache was staring. Judge me, bitch. Just cause I'm a down to have fun person. Let me fucking fall, who cares? Hasn't happened yet. He blows up the bike. No, fuck you guys, you're bad. Come open! Boom! Hopefully she doesn't sit here for the rest of the winter, but we'll see what happens. We might have another riding video, we might not. She might just be parked. Would hate to see that happen. We'll probably end up going out again, so making a fool of myself. Fuck the neighbors. Fuck the world, dude. I'm in a fuck the world mood today. So this is one of my off days where I just don't care. I said I don't care. I'll just repeat that again. I don't care. I'm just trying to do things, get things done. Whether I do it the right way or my way, I don't give a fuck. Because normally my way is not the right way. But guess what? It gets it done. It ends up being just as good, if not better, than the right way. So, on that note, enough of me being a self-conceited fuckboy thinking I'm the best. I know everything. And I'm better than everybody else type mentality. Fucking ego shit. Let's get this fucking bitch put back together so we can paint and call it a day. So, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.